This video is sponsored by Lightens, manufacturers of the original OAD pulley. Visit lightensaftermarket.com for more information.
If you get some downtime at your shop, go on your service information and look up the service intervals for some newer vehicles. I'm talking 2016 or newer. Look for the service interval for the belt. You're going to notice something. On some vehicles, there is no service interval for the belt, but you're going to see one thing: inspection of the belt about every 25 to 30,000 miles. Why are auto manufacturers going against this and not recommending an interval for replacing the belt? Well, it's because the belts are lasting longer because they're made of better materials. But there is a downside. If the belt is lasting longer, this means the tensioner and the OAD are taking more abuse. So let's say it goes 130,000 miles. Well, this means that you need to replace the tensioner and the OAD when you replace the belt. So what does this mean to the grand scheme of things at your shop? Not only in the back bays, but also up in front. It means that inspection is critical and that you're communicating the inspection results to the customer. Measure the depth of the grooves, do a visual inspection, use your ears and listen to the belt itself. This way, if a belt is having issues and it's going to need replacement soon, you're going to sell that customer a brand new belt, a tensioner, and maybe even an OAD pulley. Since there's no replacement interval, inspection is the only way that customer is going to know to replace the belt and other components on the accessory drive system. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.